Let us solve a question on multivariate calculus. The question is, suppose z is equal to e raised power x square plus y square, then z subscript xy will be, the options are being given, we need to find out the correct option. Okay, so what we are being given, z is equal to the exponential function e raised power x square plus y square. That means first we need to find out z subscript x, that is the derivative of this function partially with respect to x. Okay, now if we have an exponential function, let me write it here. If we have an exponential function e raised power nx, okay, its derivative is equal to the given exponential function, that is n times x, times the derivative of the exponent with respect to x, that is nx. Okay, by power, that is the you know what we call the rules of the differentiation. It is n times e raised power nx times the derivative of x will be 1, we get here n. Same logic applies here. So the derivative of this function partially with respect to x means e raised power x square plus y square, then we multiply it with the derivative of the derivative of the exponent, that is x square plus y square. Okay, which gives us zx will be equal to we have e raised power x square plus y square. The derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of y square will be 0 because we are taking the derivatives with respect to x. So z x comes out to be 2x e raised power x square plus y square. Okay, but we are interested in finding out z subscript xy, that means the second order cross partial, that is xy. Okay, zxy will be equal to the derivative of this function, this time with respect to y. Okay, again using the rules of the differentiation, we have the derivative of this function will be equal to 2x e raised power x square plus y square times the derivative of the exponent with respect to y, that is x square plus y square. Why this happens here? Because we are taking the partials with respect to y, that means x is assumed to be constant, so we have 2x as it is. So z xy will be equal to 2x e raised power x square plus y square. Now the derivative of this function with respect to y, derivative of x square is 0 because we are taking partials with respect to y, derivative of y square is 2 times y. So z xy will be equal to 2 to the 4, x into y is xy, e raised power x square plus y square. This should be the answer. That means the first option is correct.